This year is not permitted to answer to confusion, delay, or resistance. It must answer to prayer. I want you to pray this prayer for yourself, not as a wish, but as a declaration. These are words that give spiritual instruction to your year. As you speak, paths are ordered. As you declare, fog lifts. As you agree in faith, grace is released ahead of you. You are not begging, you are aligning. You are not hoping, you are decreeing. Position your heart, lift your voice, and let this prayer establish God's agenda over your life. Now, pray this with me. Father of light and seasons, as this new day opens the gate of 2026, I rise with thanksgiving and bold faith. I declare that this year will not confuse me. My steps are ordered. My path is illuminated. Every fog of uncertainty is lifted by divine clarity. This year, I receive fresh grace. Grace to move forward. Grace to finish strong. Grace that makes ordinary efforts produce extraordinary results. I decree that 2026 will answer to me. The ground I step on will cooperate with my destiny. The air I breathe will carry favor. The systems that once resisted me will now align for my good. Lord, make me fruitful early. Let my mornings announce productivity. Let my afternoons carry breakthroughs. Let my nights testify of peace and rest. I silence the voice of fear and delay. No evil prediction will stand over my life this year. No negative pattern will repeat itself. What stopped me before will not stop me again. I receive favor before I speak. Before I ask, answers are released. Before I arrive, doors are opened. Before decisions are made, my name is remembered for good. This year, I cloak myself in divine protection. I will not be in the wrong place at the wrong time. I will not lose what God has given me. I will not mourn what others celebrate. Lord, let fulfillment be my portion. Not just success, but satisfaction. Not just increase, but peace. Not just progress, but joy. I prophesy that today begins a year of completion. Long-standing prayers find answers. Delayed promises find expression. Hidden tears turn into visible testimonies. As the sun rises, so does my destiny. As light fills the sky, favor fills my life. As this day begins, 2026 bows to God's purpose in me. I seal this prayer with faith, expectation, and joy. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more inspirational prayers.